for being a gentleman. Yeah. What do you have to say?
Hi fans, on the 16th, how road lead to Scarlet Hotel.
Yes, so
come and party with the Golden Lion himself. No, I mean one love. Greetings from the Golden Lion.
Yeah, that's my Golden Lion, the Golden Lion of Glasgow. Yes, he just played his fatherly role like a bust my head. I said no, I have to relate this to my fans. You know what I mean? So it just dropped Diamond and Joshua in their classes in school while I was waiting on the car, you know. So I said let me quickly chat up with my fans. Yes, I hope you guys haven't forgotten. You haven't forgotten Mia, because this Sunday 16th of January 2022 is my live on stage with Shine Osemige. Yes, the Golden Lion of Glasgow presenting Shine Osemige, the Born Lioness, Yellow Nomose, aka the Born Lioness. Yes, so come and party with us. Come and party with us.
Greetings from the Golden Lion himself.
Yes, so
come and party with the Golden Lion.
Yeah.
Respect the Golden Lion.
Respect my yama.
Yes.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Shine Osemige. I beg make una go support her. She want do event on the 16th. On the 16th now Sunday of January. I beg una go support her. Not be only baba things una go dey support. At least this our sister want do something, because she talk some kind things wey can really break my heart just now. Say some people not the one come her show if she dey do something. Say because if they just see some faces for them, they'll go call them for back. Say why you want go support this person because they know they play. It not good. It dey very bad. How you go even do that kind of thing to your own fellow sister, all because say una no dey play? You can't go tell people say me they not support her. It dey very bad, my people. It dey bad. May we not dey behave like this again now. When Shine talk this word just now, the thing really break my heart, like seriously. She talk say why she not come the poster where she post, she no want put some kind people picture, because if they see these people, they'll go call them for back, say me they not come. So now make sure not put the pictures. I beg. More not go support her. I beg, because I remember show where she fair do people not come because they don't go call them for back, say me they not come. It not good. It not good at all. Even though say you with somebody not they play. I even blame the people safe. I can't be with somebody not they play. You can't talk, say man not go this say because say you be my friend, and the other person are my friend too. You want to do something because the two of them are not they play, not can't go. No, it's not done. It's not good. We will not they do that kind of thing. We will not they bad ourselves. We be brothers and sisters. You understand? Or they say mirror and measure one. Hey, it's not good. That word really break my heart just now. Say make people not go support her. No. I remember the show where she fed the people not go like that. So now this ain't now do to her. It is very bad. Some people sha. I fear you not fear you now. I fear you not fear you now really. How do you go do that this kind of thing to your own fellow sister? All because you not they play. Fear not can let her now post a kind face for the poster where she post. I beg him with your husband, they beg now on the 16th. More go support them. I beg. I beg, my darling people. Even if you be Lady J fans, I beg. If you dey Benin, go support Shine Osemige. I use God to beg una. Thank you, my darling people. I put the video where she take talk, so make una go support her. Thank you. Mona not listen to any baba talk. I beg. Mona go support our sister. Now our own be this one. Thank you, my darling people. Take care.
Hey guys, good morning everyone. This is strange. Happy New Year, guys. This is strange, like so early in the morning, and I'm here doing live video. Oh my word, it's strange. Yeah, I'm at Damo school. Hobby has gone to drop them, end, I said, why waiting for him? Let me just start off this live video so I can talk to my fans. Honey, thanks so much for being a darling. Thank you for being a
on
dad.
the 16th, Scarlet Hotel. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you for being a dad. Thank you for being a gentleman. Yeah. What do you have to say?
Hi, fans. On the 16th, all road lead to Scarlet Hotel.
Yes, so...
Come and party with the Golden Lion himself. No, I mean, one love. Greetings from the Golden Lion.
Yeah, that's my Golden Lion, the Golden Lion of Glasgow. Yes, he just played his fatherly role like a bust my head. I said, no, I have to relate this to my fans. You know what I mean? So it just dropped Diamond and Joshua in their classes in school while I was waiting on the car, you know. So I said, let me quickly chat up with my fans. Yes, I hope you guys haven't forgotten. You haven't forgotten. Mia, because this Sunday, 16th of January 2022 is my live on stage with C0NDENM. Yes, the Golden Lion of Glasgow presenting C0NDENM, the Born Lioness, Yellow Nomose, aka the Born Lioness. Yes, so come and party with us. Come and party with us.
Greetings from the Golden Lion himself.
Yes, sir.
Come and party with the Golden Lion.
Yeah.
Respect the Golden Lion.
Respect, man. Yeah, man.
Yes.
So come and party with us, guys. Come and party with us at Scarlet Hotel. Security is tight and sealed, you know, so you don't need to be you don't need to be hovering around. You know, you need to be just relaxed, enjoy your drink and pepper soup, and just party with C0NDENM and
the Golden Lion. The Golden Lion's in town, you know. Come and party with the Golden Lion. Yes, it's going to be massive and it's going to be huge. Security is going to be tight.
Come and look at the white beards of my Golden Lion.
Yeah, come and see the Golden Lion itself. It's going to be huge, man.
It's going to be massive. It's going to be sweet. It's going to be
and we are going to have a great artist from Lagos,
yeah,
from Benin, all over the world.
Yeah.
It's going to be huge and it's going to be like it's going to be a concert. It's going to be massive.
Yeah.
Man.
So
Trust me.
we are bringing down some artists are going to be coming in. Big artists, you know, bigger like you big, that I didn't want to display their faces on my poster. I intentionally did not want to put their face because so because of reasons best known to me, I decided not to put some bigger artist faces or some other artist faces. You know, all artists are big and special, spectacular in their area, you know. So for some reasons best known to me, I chose not to put some faces on my poster. But when you come to my event live, you go see them.
It's going to be huge,
man.
Party with the Golden Lion of Glasgow.
Yeah, because some people, when they say you want to do something, they know they sleep. A partition, they catch them. Hit the heart attack, they catch them. So when they see some faces for your banner, your poster, then when they make calls like, you know, no say me and that person know the flow where, you know, no say why you want to support them, all those kind of things. Say ma, they do it. They have done it to me. They have done it to me before. So I beg, make una no vex. Say some faces
there. It's gonna be a concert.
Where I not put.
It's gonna be a concert,
I personally remove those faces. I don't want to put them. But when you come, you will see them. You will know that, that's how this shine be. She really talk and say she intentionally not put the faces.
And security tight. Yes. Security tight.
So Scarlet Hotel. Oduma of Frie. That's Scarlet Hotel himself. Now there they happen. A Babidi of the streets. Now you hotel they happen. So you gotta see, and his support has been massive. His own support from Scarlet Hotel side has been huge. It's been awesome. So guys, your people are in Benin. You are in Benin. Just entry is free. So all you need to do is you just come and party with
Please,
Shine.
I'm using this medium to invite everybody from the diaspora, especially from Glasgow.
Yeah.
Please, all road lead to Scarlet Hotel, please.
Yeah.
My men from Glasgow.
Yeah,
please,
Glasgow.
come and support the Golden Lion of Glasgow. 16 this Sunday at Scarlet Hotel at Peanut Junction.
Peanut Junction, Sapley Road. Yeah.
Mostly my friends from Glasgow.
Yeah.
And all my friends from the United Kingdom.
Yeah.
Please come and party with the Golden Lion.
Party with
Security
Golden Lion.
tight, man.
Yeah.
Come and party with the Golden Lion.
Yeah. So, it's gonna be. I wrote 12, but maybe because of African time, there might be 1 or 2 hours before we kick starts. But time is 12 noon. Time is 12 noon. You know. My husband has called on his friends from Glasgow, from UK. You know, but me, I'm calling on my fans from UK, Europe, America. Everywhere, all over the world. My fans are all over the world. So you are from diaspora, you are in Nigeria, party with me. You are not around, your sister is around, your brother is around, your cousins are around. Please alert them. Wala wo wa geneli gwe wa gwareme ba mokoko wa gume nwore amera me jeve eteme ni ko wa gwari oboyo me yeke ni rede wala wo. Edioni revo wala wari boyo mi yeke.
The Golden Lion of Glasgow is being shown right from Glasgow to the town, the Benin city. This is our city. Oba atop of this our own city, you know.